Brian Conway, independent journalist here with Pittsburgh Robotics Network, live at Pittsburgh Robotics Discovery Day. I am here with Mike Vindler, CEO of Tronix3D. Tell me about your niche and your specific role within this robotics ecosystem here in Pittsburgh.
Yeah, absolutely. So we're a production 3D print shop. We do 3D printing at the industrial level. So we work with a lot of companies in the Pittsburgh Robotics Network, as well as other industries, to do everything from printing their first prototypes, helping them with iterations, as well as going into full production and printing thousands of parts.
Tell me about your experience at Discovery Day and what this offers for a company like you to be with all these various companies here.
Yeah, so Discovery Day is a really interesting event, and it's really dynamic, and that's what we like about it. Is we get everything from local high school students that are looking for their next career and they want to learn about the industry. We also get a lot of great industry contacts. A lot of our customers are here at other booths, so it's a really combination of that outreach, community outreach, community development, along with that networking and business side. So I think that makes it much more unique than like a standard trade show event, and I like that.